Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare cabbage soup. Ingredients for cabbage soup: 500 grams of cabbage, 2 onion, little coriander leaves, around 7 numbers of garlic cloves, black pepper powder. Required salt, and you can use oil or ghee or butter. So we cut the cabbage, thoroughly washed, and we cut into small pieces. We dice the onion and we cut the garlic cloves. Keep the pan in flame. Add ghee. We are adding ghee. You can use butter also. So we are going to add the garlic cloves. This is very simple soup. You can make this one within no time. Only we are using cabbage, onion, we are going to add the cabbage. So this is the quantity which we shown for 500 grams of cabbage. If you are taking 1 kg, you can increase the onion quantity, and garlic cloves can increase the quantity as per that one. Whatever we are showing, only for this quantity. Going to add the salt. So the salt, the chili powder, turmeric powder, whatever recipe we are showing, that is as per what we like. So if you want more spicy, what we are using, you can use more as per that one. But we are putting medium spicy and medium salt. So we are going to add the coriander leaves. Going to add the water. We're going to lid this. So we're going to open the lid. We have lidded for approximately 10 minutes. So it's cooked now. So you have to leave approximately for 10 minutes. So we're going to keep separate little cabbage, cooked cabbage. You have to take and keep aside. Rest of the thing we will cool. After that we will grind in the blender. So we remove the filtrate and cabbage separately. Cabbage get cool now. We are going to transfer that one to the blender. We transferred everything to the blender jar. This is cabbage stock, which we have filtered from cooked cabbage. So we're going to grind this one. We grinded this one as a paste. We're going to transfer that one to the pan. And we're going to mix the stock. Switch on the flame. So when it starts boiling, we will switch off the flame, because everything is cooked already. So we'll need only when it's going to start boiling, we will switch off the flame. So we will wait. Check the salt. If required, you can add salt. So now the soup gets started boiling. We're going to switch off the flame. This is enough. So we're going to add the cabbage, the cooked cabbage with this one. So while taking the cabbage soup to serve, you can mix that one, put along with the cabbage pieces. So you will get something to bite in between. Sprinkle the black pepper powder. Cabbage soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.